Good morning, everybody. It's Cindy the Scrapologist. Thanks for coming back to my channel. I have a restock in my shop of some ephemera, and so I wanted to show you what I have today. I wanted to talk too about my library pockets and these pockets that you all have been inquiring about. They're not in my shop at the present time, and I do apologize if you are one of the many that is trying to order these. The honest answer as to what is happening is that I have not been able to keep up with the orders for these and the library pockets. I was making hundreds of them at a time, and this is not a complaint because that's a really good problem to have, but I'm only one person and I just couldn't keep up with the orders. So I'm trying to figure something out. Maybe I'll just take a week and make a whole bunch of them and restock my shop. I will be carrying them again, so if you can just be patient, and if you're one of the many people that is interested in these or the library pockets, then please feel free to convo me on Etsy, and I can notify you also when they're back in the shop. So I'm gonna figure something out. I just couldn't keep up. Mom is helping me a little bit with the sewing, which is a great help. But even between the two of us, we couldn't keep up. So, yeah, so stay tuned on that. Okay, so I just have a few items in my shop that are in my shop now, limited quantity, and I'll start with these. I made two sets of 10, so there are 10 in each, of little mini file folders. These measure 5.5 by 3.5. This set here of 10, and they will be listed separately, this set of 10 is covered with Tim Holtz paper, and I did not decorate them. I want you to be able to have the fun of decorating them. They're double tabbed, so there's a tab on the front and a tab on the back. All four sides are covered in Tim Holtz paper. And so you can put them in your book if you want them like this. If you want them like this, you have choices. You can put them in like this, but both sides are covered. There's one in here that's a little shorter, so that if you want to stick something in here and have it peeking out, then you can do that. But there are 10 of these. And again, they're not, well, I guess one of them is decorated. I forgot I did that. So this 10, they just have flowers or birds on them. And again, with these, I did not decorate all of the sides. There's just the front and the back so that the tabs are covered, but you can do whatever you want with the front, or if you want the back to be covered, you can do that too. And I don't know what paper line this is that I used. Can't quite remember. With some fussy cut birds and flowers. So there's 10 of those. Then in my shop, this is something new. I have been cutting some scrapbook papers with my Cameo machine, and so I'm going to be doing these little mini file folders. These are 4 by 3, 4 wide by 3 high, and there are 4 types. And I don't know if I'm going to do just little sets of 4 or sets of 8 or 12. I'll probably do sets of 12, but I'm not sure yet. You'll have to check the listing, and I'll have the link below. But this one has a scalloped edge, and they're made out of scrapbook paper. They're not. These are made out of cardstock, and then they're covered with scrapbook paper. These are actually made out of scrapbook paper, so they're a little more bendable, a little more pliable. So there's the scalloped one, there's the tabbed one, and these are all Tim Holtz papers, this particular lot that's getting sold. And there's, I don't know what you call that. And then this one is sort of a zigzag. So there's 4 different styles. And I have about this many, whatever this is. I'm going to put them in my shop as a lot. And again, I don't know how many will be in each lot, but you can check the listing. So little mini file folders. I've been on a file folder kick lately. And then these are some journal cards or tip-ins, whatever you would like to use these for. There's a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 of these. And I made these from my Birds digital kit, so you can make these yourself if you want to go over and get the kit. But they are all backed on craft paper. And most of them have some fabric, lots of texture on these. So you can see they just look so fabulous. I like putting them because they're on craft paper and they're a little more rigid. I do like using them. Look at how pretty that looks in a journal, and I like using it as a tip in, so or a flip out, I guess you'd call it, and then so you can journal on the back or decorate the back, and that's how I use them. I really like them for that purpose. So 1, 2, here's the third one. There's just collaging and sewing and fabric and cheesecloth, all the things that we love in the junk journal world. This one is my favorite. This is my second favorite because anybody who knows me knows how much I love owls. I just adore owls. I don't know why, just love them. I think they're really cool birds. Another owl. So this will be a set of 10 in my shop. So that's all I have right now. I have lots more things that I need to list, but this is what I have for today is going in my shop. And I'll have the listing below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.